Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus using your mobile device. First of all, open up ChatGPT application on your device, or you may also visit chat.openai.com on a web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap the menu button at the top left corner and then click on your profile picture at the bottom. This will then open up the settings menu. Within the settings menu, tap on Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. You will then be able to see the upgrade plan. Click on Upgrade to Plus at the bottom of the screen and then enter your preferred payment information. Follow through the payment process and confirm your billing address and agree to the terms of services, and then you will then be able to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus includes access to enhanced capabilities, faster response times, priority access during peak usage times, and early access to new features and improvements. That's how you easily subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.